want to show you guys this knife right out of the box. I just got it, and every single time we go on a big camping trip, I always try to get me a new knife for the camping trip, right? So I want to show you guys this right out of the box. First time, so I give you my first impressions of this knife. I saw it. Now, before I pull it out and unsheath it, I do carry an everyday carry one, which is right here. So check this out. This is my everyday carry box opener knife like that. So this is what we're upgrading to. Done and done. So I want to show you the comparison really quick so you can kind of get the size of it. On the outside right here, you do have a belt loop right here. So if you wanted to attach it to a belt, you could do that. But this to me is where this lives, is more like a hunting slash fishing slash do everything knife right here. Now I'm pulling it out again for the first time. I like the Purple Dragon brand. I've had a few of their knives from Purple Dragon, and they just last and they feel good. They feel great in the hand. So this is actually another one from their collection of Purple Dragon, like I was talking about. So I love the balance of that knife right there. I don't think I can get it to balance, but there's a really good balance. I love the balance right there of the weight of that. That feels really good. It's weighted appropriately. It's not too heavy, not too light. It doesn't feel flimsy at all. I like this little groove texture right here. I want to say bevel, but it's not. But anyways, I love that right there. If you need that extra force to put on there, it's a great place to put your thumb, non-slipping, all that stuff. The contours in the hand really well. I really like the cherry wood feel and look in the hand with a nice solid steel line coming down there and a couple good tangs right there as well. The steel is premium casted steel. I got this thing because it just looks sweet. And that's for me. Every single time I've actually had one, I have not been disappointed. I'm gonna tell you right now that my favorite knife is always my next knife. And this one right here is my favorite knife because it's my next knife. One last thing is on the case right here, you can see this design right there. Now, I'm gonna tell you, it is really sharp. Where this is gonna live for me is kind of like in my hunting and fishing kit right here. If you call yourself an outdoorsman and you don't have a good buck knife, well, you probably need to step your game up, and this one is gonna work perfect for me.